going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix the issue of having your iPhone screen going black during a phone call. Okay, so if you're on a phone call and your screen suddenly goes black, you're trying to use your phone and you're unable to use it, do not worry. I'll be showing you the fix for this issue in today's video. And do not worry because this works on any iPhone model. In my case, I've gotten here an iPhone 12, but if you've got a different iPhone, such as an iPhone, for example, X, 8, 7, 6, or even 11, 12, 13, or 14, 15, or 16, this should work for you as well. I want to let you guys know that this may be a software issue as well as a hardware issue. So if it's a software issue, you'll be able to fix the issue. If it's a hardware issue, you might solve it as well as not, okay? But do not worry, simply follow the steps here in the particular order that I'll be showing them to you. So the very first thing in here that we're going to be doing is hopping straight into settings on our iPhone, scroll down and go all the way to general right here, and then scroll down again, tap here on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, next up you're going to tap here on reset, and then you're going to tap here on reset all settings. Okay, so you're going to tap on reset all settings, and then you're going to put your Face ID on, or you can also use the passcode to reset all your settings on your phone. In my case, I won't be resetting now because I've just reset it a few minutes ago. And also do not worry because this won't delete any data on your phone. Make sure you only tap on reset settings and not on reset something else down here. It needs to be reset all settings. In my case, I won't be resetting right now because I've just reset it a couple minutes ago. Now, if the first step didn't help you fixing the issue that you've got, we're moving into the second step, okay? So we're gonna call like a random number. In my case, I'll be calling 199, and I want you to perform a test right here. While the phone is ringing, I want you to put your finger in here and then release it, bring it down to here, release it, bring it here, release it, bring it here, release it. So this is how your phone should behave. It should go black when you bring your finger to the top, right? Because in here we've got something called the proximity sensor, and we need to double check whether this is still working fine or not. Okay, so it's important to check your proximity sensor right here. If this doesn't work properly, this might be an issue here with the proximity sensor. So what I would ask you guys to do is to check here at the top if you've got any space between your phone and the body of the phone right here. Another thing I would ask you guys to check is to check whether you've got a screen protector with bubble air balls here at the top. Okay, if you've got, remove it and apply a brand new screen protector. This might be one of the causes for this issue right here. Now, if this didn't help you fixing the problem that you've got, we need to clean properly here our phone. Okay, so in order to perform this, you're gonna take something like a towel or any cloth material, and then you're gonna be cleaning here the top like this. Okay, make sure it's something dry and not wet. Okay, so you want to clean it properly over here at the top, and then once this is done, we're gonna try calling any mobile number and double check if the proximity sensor is working fine. Okay, so if it's still not working fine, what I would need you guys to do is to actually lock the phone and get a toothbrush, like a brand new toothbrush which is clean and totally dry. So I want you guys to like brush a bit here at the top here on this ear speaker and remove as much dust or dirt from your phone as possible. And as you guys can see, for example, I don't know if this is visible here at the camera, but there's a lot of dust here on top. Okay, this is all dust that is coming out here from my phone. So it's important to clean and then perform the same test, call somebody and see if the proximity sensor is behaving well or not. Now, if this didn't help fixing the problem that you've got, I would recommend you guys to completely reset your iPhone. Unfortunately, you need to back up data so that you do not lose data. And in order to do this properly, I would recommend you guys to watch this video recommended right here, appearing in the card right now, which is a complete tutorial on how to reset your phone the right way. I hope one of these steps helped you fixing the issue that you've got. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing, leave a comment down below, and like the video so that my video can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.